Okay, hello. Today we've just had 4 3DSs turn up. Various faults. If I have a look at purchase history, let's see what is supposed to be wrong with them. They were a grand total of £100 for the 4 of them. And yeah, it was listed as the red one seems to be fully working, but its battery dies really quickly. One has a sticker saying B button doesn't work. Not that one. Not that one. This one. B button doesn't work. Another has a sticker saying doesn't charge, and the last one is unknown. Now, I know, B button not working. So this one, charging port doesn't work, and this one is unknown. So that one's on, and apparently it seems to be working fine. So let's give it a cartridge, and yeah, that reads a game cart, but apparently the battery runs out really quickly. So I wonder if we just pop the back off, if this has got an expanded battery or something like that, like it's swollen. And while I do that, let's plug the charger into something else. These are all CEX returns, I'm quite sure, because apart from that sticker being on there, which is kind of a giveaway, although why someone wouldn't peel it off after they'd bought it, I don't know. But the user name was MC. I don't know. Yeah, that's filthy. That needs a clean. And yeah, that battery doesn't look swollen though, but that's disgustingly filthy. So I'll put that on charge out of the way, and that's going to need another look at, because obviously it's supposed to be mostly fully working apart from a quickly draining battery. But I can't check the battery drains quickly until I charge it up all the way. So out the way, over here it'll go and go on charge. Now, this one we've had on charge for a minute or two, and power light comes on and pop. So that could be the top screen or the backlight. So let's put that out the way. This one is the B button, so we'll leave that for a second, and this one is the one that, well, it does charge, but the charging port is wonky. So let's just sort that one out straight away. So this should be a nice, simple, quick fix. Just soldering or resoldering the charger port points. I shouldn't need to take too much off, just the back cover, the battery, and then this back panel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get these, well, I'm going to get this one fixed, and then I'll do the other 2 black ones in the next video, sort that B button out because it needs to get stripped down a lot further, and strip down the other one, and we'll find out whether it's backlight, ribbon cable, or the screen or whatnot on that one, because I keep making videos that are ridiculously long and they take about 4 years to upload, so let's try and get some quicker ones out the door. So right, I know, see, I knew I'd got one left. Now, let's try and zoom that into there. You can see that's not attached really. That is, and that is, but it's all rather quite wobbly. So now we've heated up the iron, although it's only at 340, I'll crank that up a bit more, and then big blob of solder on there. Might as well get these side legs done as well whilst we're here. And yeah, that should be a lot better. I'll get zoomed out. Get that back on. Get battery back in and find the cable. Let's see. Yep, that light comes on, and even with a good wobble, it stays on. So that's that sorted. Just to see if it powers on. Now there's sod all power in there. I've got a battery over here. I'm not sure if it's got any power in it. Yeah, loads of it. Just make sure it comes on. Yep. Right, these are plastic. Before I get told off. I won't use this or these. So stop picking on me, Phil. Turn that 3D back off. Yep, touchscreen seems to work okay. We're in the UK and we're in England. set the internet later. Don't set any parental controls up. Jolly good. You sort the home menu out. I'll find the cartridge. What I just took out somewhere. Got my Persona Q here. Yeah. Let's just see if the cartridge slot works. Sounds alright. Eventually it might actually wake up. There we go. So yeah, that just needed a small amount of tinkering with the charging port. And then, yeah, game cartridge works fine. So I'm going to put the screws back in that, put it together, give it a clean. I think I'm going to replace this as well if I've got a spare one of them, but that's by the by. So yeah, in the next one we're going to take this one that pops, this one that has a faulty B button, and I'll come back with the red one and see what's up with that as well. So thanks for watching, catch you in a bit, bye.